Hey everyone, welcome back. It's December, the Christmas season, and that means time off, travel, family movie nights, and plenty of binge watching. So today I'm counting down my top 3 Firestick apps for December 2025. Apps that will keep you entertained, organised, and protected over the holidays. Let's jump straight in. Kicking things off at number 3 is Pluto TV. Hands down the best free and legal streaming app you can get right now. It's completely free and packed with live channels, movies, Christmas specials and endless binge streams. No login, no sign up, no hassle. Pluto always loads up their holiday section in December, so you've got Christmas movies streaming 24/7, kids channels for family days, and even retro classics for background noise while you're wrapping presents. Perfect for when you just want something on instantly. Sliding into number 2 is Plex, and honestly, this app becomes a little bit of a secret weapon during the holidays. Most people think Plex is only for techie folks, but that's not true anymore. Plex has become a full streaming hub with a massive library of free movies, TV shows, live channels, and themed collections, all built right into the app. And in December, Plex goes all out with holiday playlists, cozy family favourites, Christmas comedies, winter-themed documentaries, and even 24/7 festive live channels you can just leave running in the background. The layout is beautiful, easy to browse, and everything loads quickly on the Firestick. So whether you're relaxing after a long day of gift shopping or you've got family over, Plex has something on hand for every mood. Before we hit number 1, what's the first movie you're watching this holiday season? Drop it in the comments. I'm expecting a lot of Elf, Home Alone and Die Hard fans. If of course you're in the camp that considers Die Hard a Christmas movie. And taking the number 1 spot for December 2025 is NordVPN. Now here's why it's essential this month. December equals travel. Hotels, family homes, public Wi-Fi, all of it is unsecured. NordVPN keeps your Firestick, phone and tablet connections private, encrypted and protected. One click on the NordVPN app hides your IP address and secures all your streaming. Plus, if you're traveling abroad for the holidays, NordVPN lets you access your favorite content from home. Want your US Netflix or Hulu library? Or do you need BBC iPlayer while you're outside of the UK? It's easy, just change your virtual location and you're good to go. It's one app that gives you peace of mind and total streaming freedom. Check out my links in the description and pinned comment for the best holiday deals. So there you have it, my top 3 Firestick apps for December 2025. Pluto TV, which is unbeatable for free instant holiday entertainment. Plex, a beautifully curated hub packed with festive films, live channels and cozy December playlists. NordVPN, essential protection for anyone travelling or streaming away from home this year. Each of these apps brings something different to your Firestick, whether you're looking for convenience, entertainment or peace of mind. Let me know in the comments which app you'll be opening first tonight, and of course if there's a hidden gem you think deserves a spot on the list. I'd love to hear about it. And if you want direct help with your Firestick, access to content I can't post publicly, or priority replies and help, check out my channel memberships. Members get into my private chat group where I answer questions personally. Just tap join below. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming up. Thanks for watching. Enjoy a very Merry Christmas, and I hope your December is full of good food, good people, and really good movies. I'll see you in the next one. All your streaming. Plus, if you're troubling,